Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Google Pay to verify your bank and card details. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To configure Google Pay and verify your bank and card details, follow these simple steps. First, open the Google Pay app on your mobile device. If you haven't downloaded it yet, visit the Google Play Store or Apple App Store to install it. Once the app is open, sign in with your Google account. On the home screen, locate and tap on the Payment Methods option. Here, you will see a list of your linked payment methods. To add a new card or bank account, tap on the Add Payment Method button. Choose whether you want to add a credit or debit card, or a bank account. For adding a card, enter your card number, expiration date, and CVV. Ensure that the name on the card matches the name on your Google account. After inputting the details, tap on Next to proceed. You will then see a verification screen that may ask for additional information. Follow the prompts to complete the verification process for your card. For bank account verification, enter your bank account number and routing number. Google Pay might perform a small test transaction to verify your bank account. Keep an eye on your bank statements for this transaction. Once confirmed, you will receive a notification in the app. Review all your entered details to ensure everything is accurate. Finally, explore the app to familiarize yourself with additional features. You are now ready to use Google Pay with your verified bank and card details. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.